Need to unlock all Venmo's features. Verifying your identity is key for sending, receiving, and transferring higher amounts. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to verify your Venmo in under a minute. First, open the Venmo app on your iPhone or Android device. Go to Settings and scroll down. Under the Security section, tap Identity Verification. On the next screen, tap Next to begin the one-time security check. Enter your full legal name, date of birth, last four digits of your SSN, and your full address. Tap Next and follow any remaining prompts. If your information doesn't go through, Venmo may ask for extra documents like your passport, driver's license, or SSN letter. Once done, Venmo reviews your information within 3 business days. That's it. Identity verified and your account ready to go. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.